The universe is vast and full of secrets. Sometimes something new appears that doesn't follow the old rules. An object named 3I Atlas is one such mystery, a visitor from the dark, cold space between the stars. At first, we thought it was just another comet. We were wrong. 3I Atlas was first spotted by the Atlas system in Hawaii, and its trajectory was unlike anything local. It's our third confirmed interstellar visitor, after Oumuamua and Borisov. These objects are rare chances to study material from another star system. But 3I Atlas brought something stranger, a rhythmic signal, a pulse that defied all expectations. As it neared the sun, it didn't behave like a typical comet. Instead, we detected a repeating beat of energy with no known natural source. This was not random outgassing. It was organized, a heartbeat from the void. The discovery forces us to ask, are we alone? We've always searched for life by looking for planets or listening for radio signals. But maybe the evidence is a piece of technology, drifting through space for eons. 3I Atlas is a tangible object we can study, a piece of the puzzle in our own backyard. Its mystery is not just academic, it's a profound question about existence itself. This object challenges our assumptions and opens a new chapter in our search for answers. The universe may be sending us messages, not in words, but in the form of these cosmic visitors. 3I Atlas is a message we cannot ignore. Its arrival could change everything we think we know about our place in the cosmos. My career has always been about asking big questions, but everything changed in 2017 with Oumuamua. Oumuamua was the first interstellar object we'd ever seen up close, long, thin, and moving in ways we couldn't explain. I suggested it might be more than a rock, perhaps a light sail, a technology we're developing for space travel. The idea of alien technology was controversial, but science is about following the evidence, not comfort. If other civilizations exist, their probes could be drifting through space, just as ours are. When 3I Atlas arrived, I knew we had to keep an open mind. That's why I founded the Galileo Project at Harvard, to search for evidence of extraterrestrial technology in a systematic, scientific way. We use telescopes and instruments to look for objects like Oumuamua and analyze unusual signals. The strange pulses from 3I Atlas are exactly the kind of anomaly we're searching for. This is a new piece of evidence that demands our attention. We must be ready for the unexpected and willing to consider all hypotheses. The search for alien life must move from speculation to transparent, validated research. 3I Atlas is a call to take that search seriously. The discovery began with routine observations as telescopes tracked 3I Atlas. One team of radio astronomers, using a sensitive detector, found something no one had seen before, a pattern of repeating bursts of energy. These bursts occurred at precise intervals, like a cosmic clock. The signal was faint but unmistakable, a rhythmic heartbeat. The energy signature matched the decay of heavy radioactive elements, not the gentle release of heat from a sun-warmed rock. This was the signature of nuclear processes, coming from an object that had traveled for millions of years. For the first time, we detected a complex, time-varying signal from an interstellar object that defies natural explanation. It's one thing to see a strange shape. It's another to detect a rhythmic nuclear pulse. Something is happening inside or on the surface of 3I Atlas, generating these pulses. The discovery transforms it from a passive rock into an active, dynamic mystery. Now, we have a signal that seems to come from the object itself, a ticking sound from a locked box. Our job is to figure out what that mechanism is. Is it a new natural process, or the hum of ancient, alien machinery? The implications are staggering. This is a turning point in our study of interstellar visitors. The heartbeat of 3I Atlas demands an explanation. To understand 3I Atlas, we must grasp pulsing nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is the force inside atoms, released by fission or fusion, processes that power stars and reactors. But here, the energy isn't steady. It's released in bursts, like a lighthouse flashing. The pulses from 3I Atlas are bursts of energy particles and radiation, detected as spikes followed by quiet. This regularity is what makes the signal so unusual. Natural radioactive decay is random, not rhythmic. We've seen pulsing signals from pulsars, but those are radio waves from spinning neutron stars. 3I Atlas is different, a small, cold object emitting regular nuclear pulses. No known phenomenon explains this in a comet-like body. If it's natural, it's a process we've never imagined. If not, the only other explanation is technology. The evidence forces us to consider the artificial seriously. As scientists, we must exhaust natural explanations first. Could 3I Atlas have pockets of concentrated radioactive material, releasing energy as it tumbles? This would require an unprecedented concentration and a finely tuned mechanism, both unlikely. Maybe it's a new kind of chemistry or geology, triggered by the solar wind. But the energy and precision of the pulses are hard to explain this way. Natural models struggle to account for what we see. The puzzle remains unsolved, pushing us to consider other possibilities. When natural explanations fail, we must consider the alternative, that 3I Atlas is artificial. The regularity of the pulses is compelling. Nature rarely produces machine-like precision. A repeating, timed burst of energy is a hallmark of technology: a clock, a beacon, an engine. It could be a propulsion system, like a nuclear pulse engine, or a power source still operating after eons. Or perhaps it's a beacon, sending an "I am here" message, or a remnant of a larger machine. All these scenarios involve purpose, something built to do something. The idea of an artificial origin is extraordinary, but so is the evidence. The pulsing signal isn't definitive proof, but it fits what we might expect from advanced technology. We have a scientific duty to take this hypothesis seriously. We must keep observing, looking for more signs of technology. The clues are leading us down a fascinating path. The mystery is far from solved, but the evidence is mounting. My hypothesis is that 3I Atlas is a piece of advanced extraterrestrial technology. The rhythmic nuclear pulses are the strongest evidence, an artificial-looking signal from an interstellar object. Technology can create pulsing signals. We do it all the time. 3. Atlas could be a probe, like our Voyager, sent by a civilization millions of years ago. Its mission may be over, but its power source still operates. The pulsing could be the heartbeat of its onboard systems, or it could be a remnant of a propulsion system, firing intermittently. The object isn't talking to us, but we're overhearing the hum of its engine. To solve the mystery, we need a closer look, perhaps even a mission to rendezvous with it. Until then, the evidence compels us to keep searching. The discovery of pulsing nuclear energy from 3I Atlas has electrified the scientific community. There's excitement. This is a new phenomenon, and new phenomena drive science forward. If it's natural, we'll discover a new astrophysical process. If not, the implications are profound. Many scientists are cautiously optimistic, eager to gather more data and test every explanation. At the same time, skepticism is healthy and necessary. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. The idea of alien technology is the last resort, only after all natural possibilities are ruled out. Skepticism forces us to be rigorous and strengthens our arguments. The debate between excitement and skepticism is what drives science. If the artificial hypothesis survives scrutiny, the world will have to accept its implications. The truth will emerge from this debate. And whatever the answer, it will change our understanding of the universe. The mystery of 3I Atlas is more than a puzzle. It's a signpost for the future of astronomy. Interstellar objects like Oumuamua and 3I Atlas let us study pieces of other star systems up close. This is the dawn of interstellar archaeology. We need better telescopes and rapid response missions to study these visitors. Imagine landing a probe on 3I Atlas and analyzing its composition directly. Whether it's natural or artificial, its study will change our perspective. If it's natural, it will teach us about the diversity of the cosmos. If it's artificial, it would be the most important discovery in human history. It would prove we are not alone. The universe is sending us messages in the form of these objects. 3I Atlas is a call to be curious, bold, and scientific. The future of humanity may be among the stars. The journey has just begun.